Hey guys, hi. So if you compare one side of my face to the other side of my face, you can see that this is clean and this has its different discolorations. There is absolutely nothing on this side of my face. It's just a natural skin with moisturizer. I'm also going to show you how to quickly contour. So just under the bone, this is where your contour would be. So I'm using a slightly darker color. You can use whatever you have at home, or you can come by the studio. Just choose a color that is about 2 or 3 tones darker than your skin tone, and make sure it's always matte and not shiny. Yeah, because anything that's shiny, it's gonna make it look larger. You want it matte because you want it to look smaller, right? So I'm pushing in my cheek here. So if you can also see, this eye looks much smaller than this eye, right? That's because this would be for everyday makeup. Here you have any sort of eyeshadow with you. I'm going to use pumpkin spice just above my eye, a little more intense. Go in with the brush. If you all bought my brushes in December when I had the collection on, now they're sold out, but you can use any sort of like a fluffy brush. So I'm using runes. So this is available as a set of 3 on my website. I'm just going to take runes, put a little bit there. It's sort of like a very fresh look also. It's not overdone, it's just presentable. So then apply your mascara. This was a slight experiment that I did at the studio. This is my mascara, but you can use whatever mascara you have at home. No, these are not for sale yet. They're still in the testing phase. How I apply a mascara, I always put it there and I turn the wand. That way it gets into the lash and it also pushes the lash out. So what I like about this also, it turns the lashes upwards and it opens up the eye. Now if you take a look, this eye is much bigger than this eye. Now you can see how big my eye is compared to this one. So it's so important for you to wear your eye makeup when you do your foundation and your concealer, otherwise your eyes will not look as big. Yeah, so make sure you open up your eyes with a good mascara. Always contour your eye well. So if you see, I've contoured it with pumpkin spice. Bring on Gulab, which is part of the set. This set is called Louder. So in Louder you have a Gulab, you have runes, and you have a pumpkin spice. So that's Gulab. I love this color, it's so effortless. So you can see this is complete makeup. You can see that I have no makeup on this side, I have makeup on this side. I've got a blush, contour, foundation, which is also used as a concealer, my corrector, eyeshadow and mascara. If you want, you can do kaajal. That's completely left up to you. I'm not a kaajal person, I don't use too much of kaajal, but yes, of course, if you want your eyes to look bigger, go ahead and put your kaajal on. I'm going to quickly